Our YouTube family, this is your boy Dr. R coming once again. You can see that they are doing the helicopter tours here. So that you can come here and get a helicopter tour of the great paradise. This is paradise at its finest. You can see the helicopter in the background. That's the pier over there. And also you can see the pelicans that they are out here flying. And swimming and they do such amazing tactic of diving. They spot out their prey in the water, so you have to have a very, very fine-tuned eye just to spot fish in the water and then dive into it. Just watch this. Wow, what amazing. Pelicans hunting for their food. And you can also walk close to them. They're not going to harm you or anything, and also you can walk close to them and they seem to be friendly, because I see people walking close to them and getting very close to them and taking pictures with them and everything. I don't suggest it, but you have people out here that does things like that, you know, but they only fish. You can probably see quite a few of them lined up over there along the coastline where they have the line. That you're able to go. The other side is the deeper part of the ocean. So they have a coastline that you're able to walk. All this part of the ocean right here, you're able to walk, as well as swim. Someone's getting a helicopter tour as well, overlooking the beautiful paradise, Dominican Republic, the true Caribbean. As well, you can see people out there swimming. I guess they're gonna swim all the way out to the line and come back. I'm not for sure, but it seems like they're heading that way. This is your boy Dr. R. Subscribe, like, and leave your comments in the section below. This is the paradise that you should be living in. All the beautiful palm trees. Things just still. Even the water. Even the animals having themselves a beautiful time here. What place like this? There's no other place I'd rather raise my family than to raise them here. Because I know for certainty they're going to be safe. Each and every day you can come and just tour this great place, because this is a safe place. In spite of what the news tell you, in spite of by old media, what media telling you, you have to come and see this for yourself. Don't take anyone's judgment or news about a place until you go in and experience it for yourself. That's what me and my family do. We goes around the country, experiencing a place that the media, practically in the U.S., said is very dangerous and giving it a high level rating. But the level rating that we need to be watching out is for the United States of America. I'm just here just having myself an awesome time. This is where we live. This is our secret place. This is the community that we live in, where you get to see great things like this. Helicopter tours. People relaxing, sleeping all on the beach. People walking with their family all on the beach. Like I said, this is a private beach. And you can come here anytime you like, long as you're part of the community. The helicopter. As well as you can see that. Like I said, once again, this is your boy, Dr. R. Subscribe, like, and leave your comment in the section below.